I lost yesterday. I didn't make a video about it. Let's talk about it. There's a lot of things I also want to talk about as well. Yesterday, of course, regular day, just um, right before Thanksgiving. So I was thinking maybe there's not going to be a lot of movement in the market, but then I seen the volume. The volume was around about 500K, and I was like, okay, there is movement. There's a good amount. So I lost 2 trades yesterday. Basically, right, going to the 4-hour like we usually do. What I saw pre-market was that we were really lagging on these, right? So as you can see, where I marked it out on S&P, we had already cleared these highs, and at the time, Nasdaq, we had not cleared these highs, and we started going lower. So my initial bias for the day was bearish because of these big highs that are already being swept, and started getting a little bit of a bearish reaction right here on Nasdaq, right? So going into 1 hour, there was also something that was seen that I did not, that caused this to go bullish, but I would never go bullish here. There was this 1 hour low that was swept, and then we had this big movement up. This is what, if I were to be going bullish, this is what I would have traded off of. But I didn't, because there was such a big reason for me to say, hey, just because we swept this low, we haven't even gotten, you got to really, like, right? We already gotten up here. Look at how far these targets were on the 5-minute. Like, I'd much rather be going for these draws on liquidity than these draws on liquidity. These are way higher. This is a lot more movement, right? So going into the day, right, we swept out buy side liquidity, started to go for sells. Can we go? I need to go a little forward here. Okay. So right here, we inversed. Oh, no, hold on. What was my first Confluence here? Here. It was on here. It was this break of structure, right? We broke structure here. So then I started looking for equilibrium, right? We tap equilibrium. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay. Right here, boom, we inverse this fair value gap, put in the trade. It immediately flipped on me. Went back to equilibrium here. So I said, okay, let's see if we can find another trade. We didn't go above the where I presume to be the liquidity sweep yet, so let's try to my bad. I had a little itch in my nose. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's see what's going on. I had this fair value gap marked out. This big ass one. Right here is where we cleared it. So once we cleared that fair value gap, I put in the trade. We came close to hitting TP. I hit stop loss, lost about 1,800. Lost about 1,800 yesterday. 1,700, somewhere around there. And that's okay. So there's a couple things I want to show you. Okay, this is, I'm done trading for the month, because today is Thanksgiving, tomorrow's Black Friday. I don't even want to, it's probably not going to be the best movement today, I know that, and probably not going to be good movement tomorrow. So I'm not even going to look at the charts, I'm not even going to worry about it. But, so I'm at 101, 472, 45. That's where I'm going to end the month at, and then I also did some research on the month, which I'm going to post my review to see what's going on. This is everything. This is my losing trades, winning trades, my day win percentage, and my day losses. My total profit is $631.05, which is, I mean, it's profit, but it's not really profit. my win percentage, trade win percentage was 43%. My trade losing percentage was 57. My trade win percentage is 61.5%. My trade losing percentage was 38.5. I don't know why I moved them like that, but I did. Whatever. But this is the win percentage. I probably just did it because top and bottom is easier to do that on decimals. But this is how I'm ending the month. Overall, I mean, I'm really proud of myself. I stayed very consistent. There was a couple of times where, I could be working a little better. There was some bad calls that I made. But overall, this month wasn't really the best for the strategy. So I'm not upset at where I am at. Like, the start of this month was not the best for the strategy. But overall, good month. I'm going to review it, and I'm probably going to be reviewing it right now because I really don't have shit else to do but homework. I'm going to review this, enjoy my Thanksgiving, go lift, go to bed, wake back up, eat, do more of this. So that's my plan. All right, though. Overall, so, I can't say that I'm disappointed. Right. I can't say I'm disappointed in the month because I ended in profit. It's definitely not as much profit as I should have. Like yesterday, I'm fine with losing yesterday. This day I should not have lost. I made the wrong call. And we'll you know what? We'll just review. I'm gonna start that right now. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Peace out.